Somebody wanted 13. I'm going to do 13b. It's crazy, but I'm going to do it. Now you need to be careful here. This divided, remember, the non-permissibles are top and bottom. So x cannot equal -3, although it's covered there anyway, and 0. But if this wasn't here, we need both of these, because we're going to flip this bad boy. So x cannot be -3 or 0. So I'm going to flip this thing first, and then we'll find our LCD. So it's going to be 6x, and that's going to multiply. So it's 6x times 5 times x plus 3. So that's what you do with division. You flip and multiply. 2 times x plus 3 times 4x squared. So this bad boy right here is ugly, but that's our lowest common denominator, minus x over 2. So I just rewrote this. Now it's flipped and multiplied. 2 is in here, so it's fine. It needs an x plus 3 and a 4x squared. So I'm going to write it right now, just because I can. So x plus 3 times 4x squared over x plus 3 times 4x squared. Now we have a common denominator. So it's this mess up, oopsie, this mess up here minus x over this mess. Okay, let's do it. So I'm going to simplify this first. So it's going to take some steps. 30x times x plus 3 minus x all over our LCD, which is, I highlighted it before and I told you guys to make sure you do. That's the LCD right there. So now I'm going to do a little bit more work here. 30x times x is 30x squared. Then 30x times 3 is 90x minus x. Oh, I thought this was going to take longer. We should factor this though. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I got to combine like terms yet. 30x squared plus 81. 89x. Man, they make it hard, eh? They don't want you to be able to factor this at all. All over our LCD. Well, guess what? There's an x that we can at least factor out of here. So it's x times 30x plus 89 over 2 times 4x squared times x plus 3. I didn't change the order on purpose. I just goofed. This x can cancel with that squared. Eight x. So this will be 8x squared plus 24x on the bottom. Doesn't matter. 30x plus 89 is just an ugly looking thing. If you want to simplify this, you can. If you don't want to, don't. 2 times 4x times x plus 3. Remember, x cannot equal -3 or 0. That is an ugly question. 13b, page 558. Hopefully that makes sense.